Are you afraid that artificial intelligence will take your job, replace your skills, and make human effort irrelevant? Or have you considered a more powerful truth? What if AI itself is not your real competition, but the person who learns how to use it better than you do? In this video, we will explore why AI will not replace you, but someone using it might. Stay with me till the end for eye-opening insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful content like this. 1. AI is a tool, not a mind. Artificial intelligence is designed to process information, identify patterns, and generate outputs based on data, but it does not possess true understanding, emotion, or independent intention. It cannot dream, feel purpose, or create meaning beyond the instructions it receives. This makes AI a powerful assistant rather than a replacement for human identity. However, tools amplify the ability of the person using them. Just as calculators did not replace mathematicians, but empowered them to work faster, AI enhances productivity for those who understand its strengths and limits. 2. Productivity multiplies with AI. One person using artificial intelligence can now complete the work that previously required entire teams. Reports can be drafted in minutes, designs can be generated instantly, and research can be summarized rapidly. This dramatic productivity boost changes competitive standards. Employers and clients begin to expect faster results and higher output. If you choose not to use AI, while others integrate it into their workflow, the gap in efficiency becomes noticeable. It is not about working harder, but working smarter with available tools. 3. Human skills still matter. Despite rapid technological progress, qualities like empathy, leadership, ethical judgment, and emotional intelligence remain uniquely human strengths. Artificial intelligence can analyze language, but it does not truly understand human experience. It can simulate conversation, but it cannot build authentic trust. Organizations still rely on people to guide teams, resolve conflicts, and inspire vision. However, when these human abilities are combined with AI efficiency, the impact becomes greater. 4. Creativity expands with collaboration. Many fear that artificial intelligence will replace creative professionals, yet in reality, it often acts as a creative partner. Writers, designers, and innovators can use AI to generate ideas, explore variations, and overcome creative blocks. This accelerates experimentation and expands possibilities. The difference lies in how the tool is used. Someone who treats AI as a collaborator can refine and elevate their vision faster than someone working alone. Creativity does not disappear, it evolves. 5. Learning speed defines success. In a rapidly changing environment, the ability to learn quickly becomes more valuable than static knowledge. Artificial intelligence evolves constantly, introducing new tools and capabilities. Individuals who commit to continuous learning can adapt alongside these changes. Those who resist new systems risk falling behind, not because they lack talent, but because they avoid growth. The competitive advantage no longer belongs solely to the most experienced, but to the most adaptable. 6. Efficiency becomes the new standard. As more professionals adopt artificial intelligence, efficiency expectations increase across industries. Tasks that once justified long timelines are now expected to be delivered quickly. This shift transforms performance benchmarks. If one candidate can produce high-quality results in half the time by using AI, organizations naturally prefer that level of output. The comparison is no longer between human and machine, but between humans using different levels of technological support. 7. Decision-making gains precision. Artificial intelligence analyzes large volumes of data to uncover patterns that humans might overlook. This capability strengthens forecasting, strategy development, and risk assessment. A professional who integrates AI insights into decision-making can respond to trends faster and with greater confidence. The technology does not replace judgment, but it informs it. Someone who uses data-driven support while maintaining critical thinking gains an edge over those relying solely on intuition. 8. Personal branding evolves. Artificial intelligence enables individuals to create content, manage communication, and build personal brands more efficiently. From social media posts to professional presentations, AI assists in refining messaging and expanding reach. This lowers barriers for self-promotion and entrepreneurship. However, those who learn how to strategically use these tools can grow their visibility faster than those who depend only on manual effort. 9. Adaptation reflects mindset. Technology adoption often reveals deeper attitudes toward change. Individuals who view AI as a threat may resist learning, while those who see it as an opportunity approach it with curiosity. This mindset difference creates long-term divergence in career growth. Adaptability signals resilience and forward thinking. Employers value professionals who embrace innovation and seek improvement. By learning to collaborate with intelligent systems, you demonstrate flexibility and strategic awareness. 10. The future belongs to integrators. Artificial intelligence will continue to advance, but its greatest impact will come through those who integrate it effectively into their work and lives. The most successful professionals will not be those who fear replacement, but those who harness technology to amplify their strengths. Integration means understanding both capabilities and limitations, applying tools responsibly, and maintaining ethical awareness. Artificial intelligence is not your enemy. It is a tool that reflects how you choose to use it. The real risk is not being replaced by technology, but being outperformed by someone who embraces it with skill and confidence. Your growth, adaptability, and willingness to learn will determine your place in this evolving world. If this perspective helped you see AI differently, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights that prepare you for the future. Thank you for watching, and keep moving forward with courage and curiosity.